Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to set a spatial 3D effect wallpaper on your iPhone with iOS 26. First of all, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS 26 version. Without this update, the feature will not appear. Now open the Photos app. From here, choose the picture that you want to apply as your wallpaper. Once the photo is open, look at the bottom and tap the share icon. From the menu, select Set as Wallpaper. Now at the bottom, you will see an option called Spatial Scene. Tap on it, and you'll notice your photo turns into a beautiful 3D effect wallpaper. After that, tap on Next, then select Set as Pair, and that's it. The 3D wallpaper is now set on both lock screen and home screen. So guys, this is how you can easily enable the new Spatial 3D Effect Wallpaper on your iPhone with iOS 26. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips.